So today I'm going to show you how to pull any image off of like Google or Yahoo, anything that has a white background, and we're going to turn this into a transparent image. So there's no white background, which they call a PNG image. So you're going to go ahead and download paint.net, and you're going to look, I found this shimmer and shine design that's got the white background off the internet. Input it, so you're going to go file and open. Once you download the image and you save it onto your computer, you're going to hit file and open, and it's going to insert it right in here for you. Okay? Then you're going to come off to the tool section off to this side here, and you're going to look for the little wand. It's called Magic Wand. You're going to take the wand, insert it into the white area. If there's a really big white background and not a lot of white in the design, it's all ready to go. But if you need to adjust it, this tolerance, the percentage, is where you would go. You scale it up and down as far as you need to, because some designs actually have white in the hair or white in the clothing. And if it has too much white in the image, you have to keep scaling it back and forth. But this is perfect. You see all the blue? All it is just erasing all this white surrounding the image. So you just go, you highlight that, and then you want to go to edit, and you want to hit cut, and then it turns it all gray. See these gray little check boxes, gray and white? Check your image and make sure nothing else has disappeared and eliminated. So this is all good to go. We're turning this into a transparent image. You want to hit File, Save As, and now you want to change this to a PNG image. Hit Save. I've already have this saved on my computer, so it just told me to save it again. I'm going to hit OK. There you go.